Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Discing Around. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most talked about subjects in disc golf, and that is grip. Now, we're not going to be talking about like fan grip or power grip. We're going to be talking about how to make your grip stronger, and then also something that's going to help your putting as well. I did some research, right? And I found this product, and you probably have seen these before. They're actually called finger resistant bands. And I'm just gonna talk to you about how good these things can be for disc golf. You might say to yourself, oh, I got one of those squeezy things, you know, I can strengthen my arm that way. Those are great, but the thing is, you have to understand that you have two sets of muscles, and if you're not working out both of those sets of muscles, then you cause a muscular imbalance, which is not good. What you have is you have your flexor muscles, so that when you squeeze real tight, you can squeeze real tight and your muscle flexes. And then you also have your extender muscles, which your hand extends open, or your triceps when you extend your arm. Those are your extender muscles. Scientifically, your flexor muscles would be called your agonist muscles, and your extender muscles would be called your antagonist muscles. Now, if you don't have strength in your antagonist muscles, it has actually been scientifically proven to cause your grip to be worse. So being able to work on your extender muscles will actually improve your grip. So if you have a weak grip, this may be what you've been looking for. So basically all you do is you stick your fingers in these holes and you just open them like this, and you hold it for maybe 3 to 5 seconds and then close. And you probably do that for about 30 reps. But yeah, these are going to be great to improve your grip if you really have a weak grip. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk about was putting. And you might be wondering, how would this help me with putting? It helps me with my grip, but how is that going to help me putt better? Have you ever seen people putt and they're basically putting effortlessly? Well, a lot of that is because their extender muscles are actually strong. They actually can move really fast. Maybe they've been playing for years and they've built that muscle memory. And what this is going to cause you to be able to do is to be stronger in opening your hand, which means you'll be able to flick your fingers faster, because your hand is actually a whip, not just, with your backhand throw, but with your putting. When you release out, your fingers are opening like the tail end of a whip. So the faster that you can open those hands, you're going to cause more friction between your hand and the disc, allowing there to be more spin on the disc and faster speed. Well, I hope that this product is going to be something that is just going to change your game. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this, if you've ever used it before, or if you go ahead and try it out, come back a few weeks later and leave a comment and let me know how it worked out for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, it really helps me out. And I really appreciate it if you can just hit that subscribe button. Leave a like if you like this content. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And you guys have a good one. Peace. Love y'all.